Hello, today I'd like to present you a property supervision system I have produced with help of some people to whom I give credit in the description. A big thank you for your contributions. The system is IoT based and has its database in the cloud. The data is generated by 6 sensors similar to the one seen on the picture. Actually, this one is a DHT11 air humidity sensor powered by an 18650 battery and controlled by a Vimos D1 Mini which runs Arduino C. The microcontroller connects via Wi-Fi, trying 3 different SSIDs, one after another, in a cycle and then goes to deep sleep. It sends HTTP POST requests to a PHP code at an internal storage provider. Of course, here I have intentionally deleted the SSIDs and the passwords. The PHP code assembles an SQL insert query from the received variables. By the way, thanks a lot for Rui Santos for the code. Then to query the cloud-based SQL database, we need to create an SSH tunnel, which means a secure connection, and the distant database gets forwarded to a port of the localhost. For the SSH tunnel, we need to use a PATI private key file, which gets generated at the internet storage provider. The ISP charges for an extra fee for the SSH tunnel service. It is not included in the basic package. After opening the session, the username and password have to be provided, and the SSH tunnel is up and running for us to launch the queries. This Winforms GUI I have transformed from the example of Salar Hussein, thanks to him for making it available. After starting the program, it requires a login. Now we log in with an administrator user. After logging in, we see a dashboard with the sensors and the areas of the property we have defined. We can freely select the defined sensors and areas from the combo boxes. Currently, I had all the sensors placed in the anteroom for demonstration's sake. Comes next the setup screen, where different parameters of the software can be set. The next screen is the property screen, where we can define, modify, and delete properties. We can log into any property we are associated with. We can also register a new user to the property we are logged in with. The same things we can do with sensors. We can define notification thresholds at each sensor, and the system is going to send an email to the email address we have registered with, listing the incident's parameters that have triggered the notification. We can have a look at the users assigned to the current property we are logged in with, and as we are the administrators, we can see all users' login and logout times who are associated with the current property. On the report screen, we can filter to the incidents that were identified as such based on the notification thresholds we have defined at each sensor. So now we are going to log in with an operator. And as you can see, as the operators have lower access rights level than the administrators, so less menu items are available for them.